All right, what am I missing here? Okay, welcome to the Wayward Widow. My back's hurting me a little bit. You guys, I haven't had but 2 ibuprofen, just 2, since that video way back when I said I'm not taking any more ibuprofen. Like, I took my ibuprofen and my Tylenol and I put it away in my linen closet, and I just don't need it. Isn't that crazy? This will be the 3rd video today if I put all these up. Okay, I got a package. I knew it was coming. It weighs 11 pounds. Whew, okay. Now, where's my knife? I'm going to be really careful. I am super excited to get this package. I don't want to, the address is on the front, so. This is from my friend Staci. Staci with an I. I have a Staci with a Y and a Staci with an I. This is from Staci with an I, who sent me the lantern, and who also sent me the beads that I put on my pocketbook. Staci, you taped this really well. I want to be super careful. I probably should have opened it and then started the phone camera. So I just said in the video that I just did that my car is going back to the dealership on Friday. So I will no longer have a car. And I'm also going to start the paperwork to get my passport. I don't know that I'll ever need a passport, but Sky always said we should have our passports. He always had a dream of taking me to Scotland. And who knows? Okay. Are you ready, Staci? I'm so excited. I know what's in here, but I don't know what's in here. Okay, this came from my friend Staci. And her channel name on YouTube is Staci's Rainbow Nursery. Staci with an I, apostrophe with an S. Staci's Rainbow Nursery. And this is a Reborn unboxing. Staci reached out to me, and I did ask her if this was okay if I did this. And she said, absolutely, this is what's called a Reborn unboxing in the Reborn community. I was always subscribed to Staci's channel, and then every once in a while YouTube will remove some of my people, and then I'm like, oh, I haven't heard from Karen for a while, or I haven't heard from this one, like what happened to Cam and Fam, or and then I'll hunt them down, and it's like, you're not subscribed, even though I knew I was. So it's like they come along and they clean out some of your stuff. I don't know why they do that, but anyway, I didn't see anything from her for a while. And so we've had some conversation, and she asked me a few questions. And so she sent me something, and it's got this pretty pink paper. And I said, is it okay if I video? And she said, it's what we call a Reborn unboxing in the Reborn community. And she said it was fine that I film. So here's what it looks like. Oh my God. I got a pink puppy. We'll put you right there. It's a sand dollar, right? I believe. If I'm wrong, correct me. Take my glasses off so I can see. Oh, a little tiny one. This is like the one I have on my pocketbook, only a miniature version. To put on my, okay, that's the card. I have never done this before, so I am naive. So Staci's Newborn Nursery. If you look up, what did I say? Staci's Rainbow Nursery. I had Reborn, Newborn on my mind. If you look up Reborns, there's a ton of videos, and there are some of the most beautiful channels. Oh, I got a bow. I got a passy. And another bow. In a little rainbow bag. I got some Huggies. I got 4 Huggies. I got Pooh. Winnie the Pooh. Winnie the Pooh Huggies. I don't know if there's an order that you should open these things. Okay, I'm going to keep what's in the card just for me, and I'm sure you guys understand. I would suggest, if you have an interest in learning about reborns, to check out some of the channels, and definitely go to Staci's Rainbow Nursery. She's been a friend of mine for a while and has definitely been here for me through a lot. She sent me a bunch of clothes. I'll show you. Oh my God, Staci. Okay, I even told her, I said, I hope I don't mess any of this up because I don't know what I'm doing. I got this little pair of shoes. And I got this little pair of shoes. Ladybugs. Is it Jenny's husband? What's Jenny's husband's name? I'm drawing a complete blank. I watch him all the time. Kyle. Kyle always talks about ladybugs with Jenny. Look how cute this outfit is. I got, oh, look. How cute. And little socks. Some socks. And a bib. Sweet baby girl. She asked if I wanted a boy or a girl. I said a girl. A hat and a bib set. Most adorable ever, with some socks. And oh, it's a turtle. It's a turtle. And for those of you who have been with me for a while, you know the significance of the turtle in sky. Little onesie, white onesie, with the little sleeves that you can put over their hands so they don't, you know. Oh my goodness. Look how cute. The ruffles. Wow. Little dress. It snaps in the back. Elephant. Little pants. I love kisses. Little jumper. Got a flower and a bear, or a puppy. A bear? We'll say a bear with a flower, with the little straps. So lots of clothes to choose from. Put that down there. Got the passy. Oh, a starfish. Starfish flew right out of the box. Starfish. Put it with the sand dollar. Pretty sure that's a sand dollar, right? And a little, Oh, it's got a little, oh, it says baby. I'm guessing ring and necklace. I'm new at this part, so if I get anything wrong, I'll figure it out. And Staci, you can guide me along. Some more diapers. We got some lions, some bunnies, some fox. Staci was very considerate of me with all this. She asked me if this is something that I would want. She didn't want to assume something, but because I do interact on her page, and the Reborns on there are just precious, and she knew and knows what I'm going through with being here alone, you know. And I haven't found my cat or my kitten yet, so we got some pink pants. My goodness, this child will have a wardrobe better than mine. Oh, look at the hearts and the, oh my God, how cute is that? Oh, fish. Look at that. It's got the little snap on the sides, open up. And little pants. So the set. Some little purple shorts with a yellow bow. And an elephant. Little polka dot elephant onesie. And oh my God, it says a Scottish Terrier. Am I right with that? Look at that. A little pink. It's not really pink. It's like a, well, it's pink, I guess. I would say more like a, what's the color in between pink and orange? And here's another one. Talk about having enough clothing changes. Staci, thank you. Little green pants. Boy, we can do a mix and match, huh? And super cute. It is super cute. Look what she sent me. Little super cute onesie. A blanket, a little blanket. Or a burp cloth. And hats. Kitty cats and butterflies or bumblebees? Bumblebees. And hearts. And hearts. This is a great Valentine's hat, isn't it? It's got a bow. Look at this one. Oh, I love this. And polka dot. This would be a great summertime stroll hat, wouldn't you say? Certificate of Authenticity, Staci's Rainbow Nursery, Reborns. So she has all of her info on here. Please check her channel out, Staci's Rainbow Nursery. check her channel out and give her some love. She's been a friend of mine for so long. She's so sweet. Her Facebook is Staci's Rainbow Nursery, Instagram Staci's Rainbow Nursery, Staci's Rainbow Nursery at gmail.com. Check her out. Show her love. She's deserving of it. My baby's in the box. And then this is the birth certificate, Reborn, and little footprints. Zuri Awake. Zuriawake. This certifies that your doll is authentic, reborn baby, created from the scans of the real newborn baby by a team of artists, designs, and technicians at Bountiful Baby. I hope I'm not doing anything wrong. Like I said, I've never had a reborn. This is all new to me. This is a first. I'm almost 65. I have a lot of firsts going on right now. First time I've been a widow. First time I got a reborn. First time I'm going for my passport and actually going to get it. First time I won't be without a car. There's a lot of firsts for me. I'm going to try to be gentle here, right? Okay. It's a girl. It's a girl. It's a girl. I am so overwhelmed. There's a lot of emotions going on here. Cloth. Lemons. I don't have my lemon. Well, I kind of have my lemon cup, but I've got my bees cup right now. Oh my gosh. Oh. Well, okay. Here she is. Oh my gosh. I don't want to be dripping mascara everywhere. Look. Look at these little hands. You got a tear on your cheek. Well, Staci, thank you. So very much. We'll put her right here next to me. See her? There you go. We'll do a, you lost your bow there, sweet one. We'll fix you. There you go. Don't mind the mascara, sorry. Thank you, Staci. Very much, thank you. Again, you guys, check out Staci's info. Give her some love. Staci's Rainbow Nursery. Again, Staci and I had communication about this. She didn't make an assumption. She didn't want to do something that would be harder for me with Sky's loss. So she was very caring to my heart, of my heart. I don't know what to say. I'll message you. Thank you. I'm going to go and pull myself together and enjoy the newest addition to my family. Wow. You are precious. So we'll show once again. There we go. How sweet. Keep losing your bow. Keep losing your bow. Your little headband. Thank you for staying with me for this Reborn unboxing. I guess I'm now kind of part of the Reborn community. After a death, it's nice to have a birth. Whew, a lot's happening. I'm going to go. Thank you. I love you.